Hi all, welcome to new class. Today's class is about demultiplexers, also called data distributors, and it is also called DEMUX. A multiplexer takes several input and transmits one of them to the output. A demultiplexer performs the reverse operation. That is, it takes a single input and distribute it over several outputs. So, a demultiplexer can be thought of as a distributor because it transmits the same data to different destinations. A multiplexer is n to 1 device. A demultiplexer is 1 to n or 2 raised to n device. So this is the functional diagram of a DEMUX. And here the select input code determines the output line to which the input data will be transmitted. In other words, the demultiplexer takes one input data source and selectively distribute it to one of n output channels, just like a multi-position switch. So there will be one input and there will be n select input, and according to the select inputs there will be 2 raised to n outputs. So if there are one select input, then the output will be 2, that is 2 raised to 1 2, and if the select inputs are 2, then output will be 2 raised to 2, that is 4 lines. Let us study one line to two line DEMUX. So in one line to two line DEMUX, the output lines are 2. So the select input n is equal to 1. So there will be 2 raised to n, that is 2 outputs. The select input line is 1. So according to the select input, the output lines are selected. So if the select input is 0, then D0 will be selected, and if the select input is 1, then D1 will be selected. And the logic diagram can be drawn like this. Select input, and this is the data, input data, and there will be 2 AND gates. So according to the select input, we will get the data in the output. So if S is equal to 0, that means not gate, then data will be in the D0, that is in this AND gate, and if S is equal to 1, then this data will be available in the next AND gate, that is D1. Next is one line to four line demultiplexer. So in one line to four line demultiplexer, the select input n is equal to 2. So we will get the output is equal to 2 raised to n, that is 4. So the select input in this case is 2. So we can draw the truth table or function table. S1, S0, there will be 2 select input, and the output lines are 4. So D0, D1, D2, D3, and the data input is D, and the select input combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So first one will be D here, then all others 0. Then in the second case D1 will be activated, third case D2 will be activated, and in the fourth case D3. So the data will be passed through the fourth gate, and we can draw the logic diagram. So there will be 4 AND gates and 2 select inputs, and this is the data input D, and there will be 4 AND gates, two select inputs S0 and S1, and let this be D0, D1, D2 and D3. So when the select inputs are 0, 0, so 0, 0, then this AND gate will be activated, 0, 0. In the second case S1, 0, S0, 1, S1, 0, and S0, 1, S0, 1, then the data will be passed to the D1. Next is 1, 0. S1 is 1, that is 1, then 0, the data will be passed to the D2, and last one is 1, 1, that is 1, 1, then the data will be passed to the fourth gate, that is D3. Next is 1 line to 8 line demultiplexer. So here the select inputs are 3, and there will be 2 raised to 3, that is 8 output lines, and the data input D will be transmitted to the output line according to the select input. So we can draw the function table or truth table, that is select input will be S2, S1, S0, and the data outputs are D. So here 8 line, so we can write O, O0, O1, O2, O3, O4, O5, O6, O7. The combinations of select inputs are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So in the first case O0 will be activated, so the data will be in the O0 line, all others are 0, inactivated. And the second case O1, third case O2, then O3, then O4, this one O4, all others are inactivated, then O5, O6, and last one O7. So the logic diagram can be drawn according to the output lines. The single data input line D is connected to 8 AND gates, but only one of that gates will be enabled by the select input lines. So draw 8 AND gates, and this is the data line. The select inputs are S0, S1, S2. So in the first case 0, 0, 0. So here 0, 0, then 0. Then the data will be in the O0. So that the data will be in the O0 line. Then in the second case 0, 0, 1, that is 0, 0, 1. Then the data will be in the O1 line. Next is 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. The data will be in the O2 line. So in this way we can draw every AND gates. The last one is 1, 1, 1, that is S2, S1, S0. Then the data line will be in the O7 line. So this is about the 1 line to 8 line DEMUX. Thank you for watching the class. If you like the classes, please like, share with your friends and subscribe my channel.